Let's talk about the removal of judgments on your credit profile and also debt review. There is no easy way out here, guys. You have to have proof that you have settled your creditors. So please don't go around paying money to people who promise you that they can do that. Have those judgments removed without having proof of payment. It doesn't work like that. It is according to the National Credit Act against the law. You have to have proof that you have paid your creditors. Please visit my website www.buildmycredit.co.za or contact me on 076 6389511 via WhatsApp, and I'll guide you through the process. I will not only help you to have these things removed the legal way, but I'll guide you into proper, responsible financial management. So please make the right choice and contact me today.